But my favorite thing are the chairs. So the chairs are what make this stand out as a place that you're gonna eat, a place that you're gonna hang out. David with StonePark. I'm gonna tour a unit that we've already done a video for, but this time it's staged. So we're gonna do unstaged versus staged. And I think by the end of this video, you'll understand why all real estate agents want properties staged. First off, look at that little touch. Unit 2, welcome home. It's pretty cool. All right. So this, if you remember, is a 1-bedroom, 1.5 bathroom, about 1,100 square foot condo unit. And what's cool about this, right in the heart of Dupont Circle. So right here, we are in the living area. Obviously, when you walk in, if this didn't have anything, you would get it. But for buyers need to see objects. They need to see that the home could be theirs. And having a couch here, table, a couple chairs over here, maybe they're tired of looking at all the homes, they just want to sit down and discuss. This gives them the option to imagine that this could be their home. I do like the colors that they used. Black, whites, grays, perfect. Got a few pieces of art here, not too bad. Fake plant, needed. Even these little things. So they're going with our whole gold accent. Coming to the kitchen, nothing crazy. Obviously you got your little water for open houses. You got the food there, Pellegrino, little things for wine. But my favorite thing are the chairs. So the chairs are what make this stand out as a place that you're gonna eat, a place that you're gonna hang out, an overall like entertainment room almost. So it's not a kitchen, it's actually a place where you're gonna spend probably the most of your time in the unit. Bathroom, they did absolutely nothing. And they don't have to because the bathroom looks great. Check out that wall. That's all you need. You just need an accent wall. You don't need anything else. All right, so this area right here, this is what I questioned in the last video. What do you make it? And they actually did two of the things that I was thinking. Kind of like a study. So if you work from home, boom, you got the area for it, a little nook, but also a dining area. And I like how they used a circular table. Circular tables don't take up too much room. You can walk around it easily. You're not hitting corners. And I think this is a perfect little table to showcase what you can actually do here. And you obviously have this big chandelier, so you do need a table. You got this right here, got some art. I think it all kind of works together. The blacks, the golds, the whites, the grays. And then obviously you're gonna have little things like this. Got your book, fake plants. I don't know what that is. Bathroom, let's just show the bathroom. There's nothing much more in it other than that plant, but that's all you need for this bathroom because this bathroom is totally hooked up. The tiling looks like it should be in a museum. Everything just works. So another important spot is the bedroom, especially the main bedroom. So this unit only has one bedroom, so it's very important. Where do you put the bed? And we're going to let these potential buyers know, this is where you put the bed. You put it right where these lights are, right in the middle. And this gives the potential buyer ideas of what to put around the bed. You could put this, that, anything. It just makes sense where you have a king bed, which is gonna be the biggest bed you can get, and you still have all this open space. Sometimes when you stage, it might show the flaws in the room, like it being too small. With this room, it was big, so we need to capitalize on that. Put the biggest bed there and show that we have enough room to put anything on the sides. If you turn around, Carlos, this is a blank spot right here. You could put a big mirror here. There's still a lot of potential for this room. So you don't want to overcrowd it with all these items in the room or furniture, but you want to give it enough to show or showcase how big the room is and what it can be. And obviously you have the closet here, but nothing in there. So Carlos, if you turn around, check this out. I just noticed this. Look how beautiful that is. So I'm at the end of the property. When I turn around, before when there was nothing here, it looked a little hollow. And Carlos, if we have old clips, I want us to clip into, but when I'm walking back here, I'm thinking, this is a nice home. Check this out. And you're looking back at it and it feels beefier. It feels like someone is living here and it should be you. You want that person out. You want to buy it. So when a real estate agent comes to you and says, hey, I think we should definitely stage the place, I would 1000% agree, especially if it's going to go on market. If it's a off market deal, that's a little different, but on market, you want to put your best foot forward, stage the place, and give those potential buyers something to look at and remember. So that's it for the tour. Let us know, staged or unstaged, what do you think? Until next time, please like, subscribe, share, and I'll see you later.